Are you kidding me? Look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. Today I am going to cook a simple, perfect sirloin strip loin steak in the air fryer. So simple, so quick. A request, so let's do it. I've got a sirloin, a nice little bit of meat there. It's not too thick actually, so I don't think it's going to take too long to actually cook. Now to start this off, what we have to do, we have to dab this with a kitchen towel, dry it off, put a little bit of oil on, salt and pepper, preheat the air fryer for 10 minutes at about 200, something like that, 200 degrees C, 400 degrees F. Preheat it for about 10 minutes, get it hot so the basket's hot, and then we dump our steak straight on that basket. So let's start with the preheating of the air fryer, and then we'll dab the steak with kitchen towel, put a little bit of oil on and some salt and pepper. Okay, the idea of actually dabbing it all over with kitchen towel is actually to dry off the steak a little bit so the oil sticks to it. Now we don't want too much oil, a little bit of oil, put a little bit on there, and then we can just rub it around. So on with a little bit of oil. So there we are, oiled already. Now as you know, nothing fancy in my cooking, straightforward salt and pepper on that steak, that's all we need. A little bit of salt on the top there, a little bit of cracked black pepper, give it a little pat on, turn it over. Same seasoning on this side, a little bit of salt and that cracked black pepper. Just give it a little rub in. Now all we need to do is take that steak and lay it straight on that basket. Straight on the basket, straight back in the air fryer. 200 degrees, 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we're going to flip it. Okay, we want to flip the steak over and start cooking the other side. Now it could take 16 minutes to cook, but we'll check it with a thermometer to get the internal temperature to make sure our steak is okay. That's it. 10 minutes on the clock. Leave it, walk away. Now you can make a compound butter if you want. Get some butter, some parsley, a little bit of garlic, splash of Worcester sauce, whatever, mix it all up, stick it in the fridge to cool down and just chuck it on your steak when it cooks. Or you could just cut a piece of butter and put it on the steak like I'm going to do. So see you in 10. Okay. Oh, look in there. Right, what we need to be doing, we need to be turning this over. So turn it over. That's looking pretty much nearly there. So we're going to check the internal temperature of this. That is virtually cooked already, so all we're going to do, we're just going to put that back in there for about 2 minutes tops. Maybe it's a minute actually. Okay, I've got that going in there for about a minute. It's going to be time just to slice some butter, then we'll put some butter on the top of it. Okay, we've got about another minute on there. Now to me, I can tell by looking at it, that's perfectly cooked steak. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit of butter on the top, like that. And I'm just going to put it back in the air fryer, and it can rest in there for 2 minutes. Oh, there we go. Let's get that out of there. Just look at that. Oh, are you kidding me? Look at that. Oh, hot. Look at that. Oh. That, there's no words for that. If you like steak, that is amazing. That is soft, tender, juicy, fantastic flavour, a little bit of seasoning with the salt and pepper, and that butter that's been drizzled over there. That is amazing. Soak up that flavour. Oh, so there we are. It don't get much simpler than that. That is a simple sirloin steak cooked in the air fryer. Dead easy. Easy peasy. Succulent, juicy, good flavour. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.